In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hammers and star strategy indicators in TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for any symbol you want to analyze. It can be a stock, a crypto pair, or a forex pair. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. When the panel opens, you'll see different sections like built-ins, community scripts, and strategies. At the top of that panel, there is a search bar. Click on the search area so you can type into it. This is where you'll find pretty much any indicator or strategy available on TradingView, which makes it really fast to locate exactly what you need without scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search bar, start typing the name Hammers and Stars Strategy. Type it carefully so TradingView can match it correctly. As you type, you'll see results appear underneath. Look through the list and select the Hammers and Stars Strategy entry. Once you click it, TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You should now see new visual signals appear, such as markers above or below candles, depending on how the strategy is designed. After the strategy is added, you'll notice its name appear in a small box on your chart, usually near the upper left. Next to that name, there's a settings icon, often shown as a little gear. Click that gear icon to open the settings window for the Hammers and Stars strategy. In this window, you can adjust things like inputs, style, and visibility. Take a moment to look through these options so the strategy suits your trading style and time frame. You can customize colors, show or hide certain markers, and fine-tune the behavior without changing the core strategy. If at any point you decide you don't want the strategy on your chart anymore, or you simply want to clear things up, you can remove it very easily. In that same strategy box on your chart, there is an option to remove. Click on Remove and the Hammers and Stars strategy will disappear from your chart, leaving everything else intact. Finally, if you're not yet using TradingView Pro and you want to follow along with the same tools and features, use the link in the video description to sign up and get started with the Pro version.